Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your week 13. Your week 13 screencast video. It's also Thanksgiving week. So let me get to the schedule for the week. As you will see here, there are no activities due this week. I did this purposely because A, it is Thanksgiving week. B, the first draft of the research essay is due on Tuesday, the 28th. More than likely, there will not be a lecture video posted this week. I'll pick up the activity on the weekend with the weekly screencast for week 14. But just to serve as a reminder here for all of the previous business and also the previous business and resources that might be helpful. So a little reminder about AI, which I'm sure everybody read. I just want to throw that out there. Also, I am pulling up some submissions and assignments that are going to be closing on the 28th. You should pay close attention to the closures here if it affects you. Also, I talk in the lecture video. What do I cover about? Discussion board 16 and writing with sources. I talked about some of the integrating source material that Ballinger talks about in chapter 4. And then also in chapter 4, let me get to the module here. I want to point out that pages 115 to 1, let me get there. We're in week 12 here. Yes, pages 115 to 121 are good to look at when it comes to organizing the draft. I say in the instructions either a narrative or an argumentative style or organizational pattern on pages 115 to 121. Organizing the draft. Ballinger talks about the two ways of handling that. All right, here is a video on how to format a works cited page, and then I have some research essay instruction video that might help here. So I want to point that out. Let me see if I can get to where I need to be. All right, principles of citation has a short video there with that on how to refer to source material. This is the full research essay assignment. Let's see if I can get to the first draft assignment right here, instructions and upload. So here are all the instructions in the first draft. Take a look at the criteria. As I say here, this will be a two-part submission. The first part will be a document upload of your draft, a Word doc or PDF, so that I can review your first draft and offer some feedback. The next part of the peer review process would be the peer review process where you head over to the discussion board and you post your draft there and complete the peer review report. So just probably covered that once already, and I'll probably cover it again before Tuesday the 28th. Also, be aware, this is not something that's revisable for the first draft assignment endpoints. Any revisions, any corrections, anything that you may or may not have included, that'll all go to the final research essay draft. So I want to make everybody aware that look at the criteria here. Clearly, I'm looking for a best attempt at a first and full draft. Okay, at the word count, I want a works cited page, I want formatting, all the things that would normally appear in a final research essay submission, all right, for the first draft. So I hope this kind of clarifies and prepares you for the week ahead. If you have any questions about the upcoming schedule, send me an email. I will be checking email throughout the week. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday and good luck.